That's all good though. Yeah, that was really good, guys. I see. I was telling you, the junk switch is really fine because they had so many bodies. So the other thing we have to be careful of, if with the Orisa, we have to go hog junk because of the... No, Orisa's good. I like Orisa a lot here. It's just because she's so immobile, we have to use a lot of appeal, you know? I think Tracer's fine, but we'll go Tracer, Junkrat, and Hog. What's Comsta? What's that? Gotcha. So yeah, the reason that Tracer's really good on first point is because she can just like get behind them when they start to stall out when they're coming out. I like it a lot. Who exited out? Question, who exited out? Are we all here? Oh, okay. Oof, that scared the shit out of me. Yeah, Mariwall is really good for getting to places. Alright, let's group up, guys. Let's go top. Let's go top up here. Let's go top. Set up top cafe. And then, or I don't know what it's called. Whatever this is called. I don't know. Like the ride. Alright, they got divers, so we're gonna have to be careful. Point. I'm on point, don't worry. Step top. I got you, Jack. I got you. Yeah, I've seen a lot. I got you. Come here. Just back up. Whoever's Orisa. Yep. Healing on point. Yep. We just have to be careful of the divers, then we're fine. I'm gonna talk some more about the Bastion's face. Oh, monkey one! Monkey dead. Oh, back up, Jack. Yeah. Alright, watch out. They're gonna come up left. Good hook. Nice hook. Kill the Mercy, guys. Mercy by herself. Never mind, she's back. Bastion left side. He's half. He's up. He's standing. He's being a stupid boy. Oh, I got a Ryan after me. I need help on the stairs. They're coming up behind us. Careful, they're coming up behind. Yep. Oh, Mercy's one. Mercy's a fat fucking one. Ryan's by himself. Can we kill him? He's one. Can we kill this Ryan? How many do we have on point? Is this winnable? Yeah, we've known that for a while. The Bastion switched. Yeah, that was last match, like last round. Wait, don't everyone leave. Here, just take 2 people. Jack. Yep, we got it. Alright, we're good. This might suck. Let's get up into here, guys. Come on, Orisa. Let's kill this Ryan. Ryan one. We're good. Genji one. Yeah, we're good. Bad ult on my part, I think, but it's okay. Let's get the shield. Shield set up. Stay here, Orisa. Take care of it. Nice trap. Yep, nice trap. Yep. Talk about the mind games, boys. Alright, I'm gonna toss more about them. No. Genji coming top left. Come with me, whoever's up here. Genji up top left. On stairs. I'm going to point. Come here, John. Come here. Mercy by herself on point. Mercy on point. She's one. Yep. D.Va, focus D.Va. Watch out for bomb. Watch out for Blade on point. Genji half. I need some help. D.Va's pushing me. Need some help. I'm about to die. Genji down. Tracer. Tracer 1. Yep. Nice job, everyone. Let's reset. Watch out for this Ryan charging in. Jack can get behind him. Yep. Good job. He's 1. He's literal 1. Yep. Nice job, guys. Let's reset. Up top. Beautiful job, guys. Well, we're also a man up, and yep. And we're also using good comms. So watch your Tracer behind. She's definitely a Pulse Bomb. Watch out, Orisa. She's behind you. Oh, I got a Sombra on me. I'm hacked. About to be hacked. She's half though. Get the Sombra behind those stairs. Pushing her off for now. I got you, Verve. I got you. Watch out. You got Sombra on you. Alright, she's just behind. Still, I think. Great job, Jack. Just come back. I'll get you. Yep, you're good. Nice job, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys.